In this video, we'll demonstrate how to disable your PS Plus subscription on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive into the tutorial steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to turn off your PS Plus subscription and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Navigate to Settings at the top of your screen and select it. Scroll down and find Users and Accounts. Under Accounts, navigate to Payment and Subscriptions. Select Subscriptions to manage your active subscriptions, including PlayStation Plus. Choose your PS Plus subscription and select Cancel Subscription at the bottom left of the screen. You'll see the expiration date displayed on the top, and the auto-renewal should be turned off. If you wish to explore other subscription plans like PlayStation Extra or Premium, you can compare and change plans within this section. This straightforward process allows you to easily cancel your subscription. Should you decide to reactivate your subscription or switch plans, you can revisit this section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support inspires us to create more content like this. For more tech tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.